Thank you. Thank you so much, love. No, it's not just laundry. We have 20 cans left waiting. Okay. We have 20 cans and a pine jug left that's available. Oh my god. Oh my god. Not me hitting y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't get mad at me. I think y'all was acting bad, that's why. Y'all was acting up. Ruse Queen. I like that username. I love when it gets like recycled laundry. Even though I know like it's not gonna stay this way. I'm gonna leave my epoxy in here. Oof. I love this consistency like this. Hey, Big Meat. Extra boost of speed, huh? Yeah, I can't even see half these comments. Yeah, what's your favorite time of the year? I love summer. It's just all like swimming, tanning, beach vibes, like it's hot. I love it. No, I didn't have a Dr. Pepper today, but I did drink me a Fanta. I did have me one of those. Fall. I see a lot of fall. Spring. Okay, Sponge Junkie, I'll bite. Why you love all of them? For different reasons. Hi, Becca. Chocolate and drinking. I don't like winter because I don't like the cold. And I'm a sandal girl, so I love wearing sandals and like wedges or heels. That's the most feminine like shoe wear for me. So I definitely don't like wearing tennis shoes and all that. Like boots are cute. I do have some. But boots you could wear like all year, like cowgirl boots and stuff. Fall is not, it's just not hot enough to go swimming, and I love swimming. That's why I love summer. Summer is just more nostalgia for me. Like I grew up like always like swimming in the summer and stuff. That what oh, who's at my door? Who the fuck? Not Cali only gets more weather. Hot and more hot. I said it's the same shit, just different temperatures. Well, sometimes it stays hot. Sometimes. Hey, Clean Chica. I mean, it's definitely hot, like in like winter still. Well, I don't know, because our fall time was really like falling this year. I mean, this past like fall. It's definitely, yeah, it's hot right now over here too. The tote goat. This is my tried and true, y'all. Well, at least the Home Depot by me, but they got the Home Depots on the clearance right now. I mean, they got the Home Depot. The totes, Jesus, I can't speak. No, I need a break. Yeah, I'll be rough with my sponges. I try not to be, but dang. Last year fall felt like fall. That's what I was saying. I told you, girl. But honestly, it was 80 degrees on Christmas. Like, I just wanted to snow for the Christmas feeling. And after that, I want that shit to go away. Also, like, I hate the rain. Add them all in at once, okay? Sure, I could do that right now. Hi, Pasty Mommy. So that was right 2. 4. 6, 7. 8, 9, 10. What's going in, Lemon Comet? I do have 20 cans left and the pine panelin jug. Bro, you would have thought I put Tiny Bowl in this shit, I swear. Hey, Soft Scrub. I don't like the rain, so I don't like springtime, because spring has a lot of rain. I feel like, was it this past summer? I think it was this past summer I feel like it had a lot of rain for some reason and it was annoying me. I don't like thunderstorms and ugly ass weather. I do love the Highland cow too. So cute. Hey Carla. I can see how it's strong.